Hello, my name is Heechan, and today I'll be showing you my math video. So my real life situation and topic is about Apple's stock prices. The reason why I chose this topic is because Apple is one of the biggest companies globally, and over the last decade, their stock prices has leaped up to a certainly high amount. As you can see in this image, although when seen long term, it is increasing by a high amount. However, it is not very steady, as some of the stock prices seem to decrease at times. Now we'll take a look at mathematical calculations with graphs, tables, and more. Okay, this is my mathematical calculations. So this is my first graph, and this is my second graph. So taking a look at both. So both are piecewise functions. But this one has four different and separate functions to make one piecewise function. However, this has two separate functions to make one piecewise function. So for this one, I used one exponential, two quadratic, and one linear. However, for this one, I used one exponential and one quadratic. So, I chose this one, this first one, because this had more accurate plot points more than this one, because this was more vague. In plots such as these parts were actually very hard to follow through. So I used this one. I also used a list of these numbers where these the bigger numbers, which was X, which was the year, and the Y, which was the stock price. I made a list with using this, and I plotted the point. My problem was about Apple's stock prices and its decrease. So since for quite a while I was very interested in the company of Apple, so I researched about it and found out that the reason for growth in stocks were because of the growth of the company, which often the growth of the company start from good new products. So if there are revolutionary products, the growth of stock prices will be exponential. Therefore, if Apple has more revolutionary products, then they will have a very high chance that they will succeed more, and their stock prices will also increase way more than now. Thank you.